Review of the version 464. Amazing! Too many versions in 1 week. We'll cover the review by product. Let's begin with comic. You can't add frames after sharing, and you can't preview after sharing. Briefly speaking, you can't edit a comic after sharing. It doesn't allow us to rename it. At least, the text bubbles seem to work better because they don't break the words in the wrong place. Let's move on. Let's review video. The props with repeated actions are not working yet, and the light from the windows still affects the characters. The problem with the limbs of the new characters is not being corrected yet. And there is a problem. When Ryan is sitting and you change the expression, he stands up. That will increase your production time. Besides, sadly, during the production of this video, we had experienced more crashes. And many more issues with the microphone. But hey, at least it looks pretty. I have more memory on my phone, and still, these problems are more common. So you will have to kill the app more often, with the microphone issues, or because the offers are blocking the screen. The two girls' movements are preset by the app. Please consider that they might affect your story. The good news are that the frames went back to normal size. Additionally, they highlight the frame number in black at the top of the frame. Exporting small files is not a problem. The problem comes with long stories, because they need a lot of memory, but also they take a long time to be exported. Well, that's it for now. Thank you girls for your company.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching.